going on, guys? Just received my Nomadik welcome box and I wanted to show you exactly what came in it. So, first up, starter Hammock Kit by Grand Trunk. This thing is nice and compact, lightweight. It's got straps inside of it already. Throw it in your car if you're going car camping, take it to the park for a nap. It's a great little starter kit, nice to have in your bag. Got some mini patches by Gear Aid. These are made out of tenacious tape, so they're very weather resistant, water resistant. These things are awesome if you got like a little tear in your tent, your jacket gets snagged on a branch as you walk by. Throw this on there, it's a nice temporary fix. So they're so lightweight you can throw it right in your backpacking kit, not even notice they're there. Sorry, dude. Then we've got some hurricane matches by UCO. These things are amazing to have in an emergency because they are water and windproof. And apparently they'll stay lit for up to 15 seconds even after being submerged. So awesome little thing to have in your emergency backup kit. Noon hydration powder. I'm a big fan of Noon, have been for years. This is a sample packet of their rapid rehydration, lemon lime flavor. They cut down on their sugars pretty good, so it's a healthy option to get those electrolytes replenished. And then last up, we've got an essential face tonic by Ursa Major. It's a little bit different, and this is something Nomadik likes to try to do. They switched up the type of products that are in there to get you to try something new. This is what you're supposed to do with this is at the end of a long camping or hiking day, give yourself a nice refreshing spritz before you lay down in the tent. Last but not least, Nomadik Sticker. Booyah! Come on, dude. Let's get out of here. Go enjoy the view. If you guys want to save some money, Nomadik set me up with a discount code to hand out to you guys. It's Adventure10. That'll save you 10% on any subscription model that you sign up for. I'll put the link in the description down below.